Hi guys, welcome once again to OA Styles. Today I'll be teaching you how to tie hand fan gele on your own head. No need for you to rush to the makeup artist to tie your gele. So just make sure you follow all the steps because this is a tutorial on how you can tie it on your own head. So guys, the first thing you do, you make sure you print the gele. And while printing it, always remember that practice make perfect. You won't be able to tie it once, but if you want us to learn it together so we can be perfect on it together, just make sure you click on the subscribe button and also make sure you turn on the bell notification for more styles. Click the like button and also comment the kind of gele or hairstyles you want on this channel. So after that, you place it on your head. Guys, if you want to join the family, if you want to follow my journey on how to be perfect on everything we do, even though we are imperfect, please make sure you click on the subscribe button. You tie it, make sure the short one is at the top while the longer one is at the bottom. That is how you're going to achieve that perfect gele. So after you have finished tying it, then you know you are sure, make sure it's tight too, so that it will not fall from your head. People will not say, Madam, your hair tie don't fall for ground. Oh. So make sure it's strong, then you can start printing. Like I said in my previous video, gele tying is all about printing. That's all gele wants. But this particular gele is HandFan gele. It's called HandFan gele. I tie the orange gele on my head. You can go and watch how to tie the orange gele with Ankara. This one is with hair tie. So guys, please watch the full video and enjoy the full video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.